Hey guys, John Chicken Ship Farms back. Today we're changing spark plugs on my wife's Expedition. It's 2008, has a 5.4 liter, 3 valve. Even though I don't think it matters, a 3 valve, 2 valve, they both suck when it comes to spark plugs. Either blowing them out, or they break off in the freaking head, or they just suck. So I can't wait. Alright, well, we already ran into one problem. You see, we're doing coil packs at the same time, even though I don't think there was anything wrong with the coil pack. So there's two. We got to this one, we got it out. Coil pack was kind of stuck in there. We got it out, the spring and everything was stuck on the plug. Got it out, and I'll put a picture in here to show you what we found. We could not change this plug. There's something sitting in there wedged between the plug, the hex part of the plug, and the wall, and it won't come out. I can't get it out. I'm probably gonna have to take it somewhere, see if they can get it out, because I really don't want it to break off. And I've had to heat this thing up again to start. I'll get this one off, but right now I'm gonna work on this side. One trick to this obviously is to heat the engine up. Don't do it on a cold engine, because you don't want these to break. But yeah, on this side we got one here, there, and one right back there. The reason these suck so bad. Now supposedly there's an upgraded plug for these that I don't have. This is what's in it, and what I'm putting back in. Actually, this is what's in it here, and that's what I'm putting back in it. As far as I know, they're just the same plugs out there. They are Ford Motorcraft. Everywhere I've looked, everyone that's done this says please go back with the Ford parts. So that's what we're doing. Let's see if you can see what that is. You probably can't, so we'll just show you the box. There you go. That's what they were. I mean, they're inexpensive. The packs, plugs, everything was I think under 150 bucks. So, but it's a bear. All right. Old and new. This one actually, the electrode is just about completely gone. So that's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it looks like. We bought this truck. We bought this truck used, guys. I don't know if it's ever had plugs in it. I don't know. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it on these. I'll look it up. I'll put something in the description, whatever Ford thinks. But I know on my EcoBoost, it's every 30,000 they want you to do it. This one, I don't know, but I said the electrode is completely gone on this plug. All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me. If you're going to do this job, you really need a air compressor. You might be able to use a shop vac, but if you look down there, you see all that grass and leaves, dirt and stuff. See it sitting right there? It's all along the top. I don't even know how it gets in here. Squirrels or who knows. But see all that down there? You need to blow it out like this. See this? That one's blown out. Because once you pull that coil pack out, stuff can fall down in there where your spark plug is, which is, one of the problems on the other side. Somebody might have done that. But you need to get that stuff out of there, because even if it's in there and you pull your plug out and that stuff ends up in your cylinder, that's not good either. Another thing, sorry again for the noise, this socket, I don't know how much you really need the flex socket here, but for this one it is the 9/16. See, spark plug socket, but it's magnetic. You are going to need this magnet. I mean, even you can get by using one without a magnet, but then you need a magnet, because if the plug falls down in there, it's so deep down in there, it's miserable to get out. So I'll put a link down there for this one. I think it was $12 or something for this socket, and I ordered one for my EcoBoost, because the EcoBoost is a 5/8 socket. So, but this EcoBoost is a lot easier than this. Alright guys, well everything's changed. It wasn't that bad. Definitely the one on this side and the back was probably the worst by far. Everything else you can get to. You don't have to take anything, any hoses, a fuel rail, nothing else, air box, nothing else has to come off to do this. You can get to everything pretty well. You're going to need obviously that flex socket I showed you, and you're going to need some more 3/8 extensions. You're going to need quite a few of them. I think I had 4 or 5 of the 3-inch ones that I just pulled in and off, on and off for however long I needed it. But you definitely need some of those. This little bolt right here on the coil is a 7mm. So oddball size. So you're gonna need one of those. But yeah, all basic stuff. It wasn't that difficult. Be careful with these plugs when you're pulling them off. You don't want to break any of this or tear anything up. I will not recommend these coil packs. Like I said, my truck didn't have any problem with coil packs, and I'm fixing to put my old coil packs right here back on because those suck. So those are going back. The plugs obviously were fine. They're Motorcraft plugs. They work just fine. I had no problem with there, but the coil packs, yeah, they're no good. So definitely, don't change your coil packs if you don't have to, I guess. But yeah, it wasn't that bad. Just make sure that the engine is warmed up. It doesn't have to be super hot, but it needs to be warm. If you have to do one side, take it out, run it around, come back. You don't have to go far. Like I said, just heat it up a little bit, come back, and take the other side off. Don't let it cool on you. Do not do this on a cool engine. You want these heads to be heated up so that you don't risk breaking one of these off in there, because it's a bear. I said I ordered the tool for it because I've had that happen before, and I was worried to death about this. I said I do have that one back there that I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with that yet. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We appreciate it, guys. Good luck.